Welcome to my exotic food plants garden. Today I'm out here in the garden to harvest some of my Inca Gold Berry. It's Physalis and it's the variety called Peruviana. I will be cutting the plant down near to the stump and overwinter that in my greenhouse, and I'll be taking cuttings from many of the limbs to root in water in my kitchen. Now this is such a beautiful plant, and it gives these berries all wrapped up in their lantern cases. And the fruits, let's take one off here. I can get it off. Look at that. And let's have a taste. Oh my God. This is so juicy and delicious. Fantastic. I'll just take a handful of these and take them indoors to just relax and enjoy. The plant still has quite a way to go in terms of ripening of the fruits. There's still a lot of fruits on there that's not fully ripened yet, and it's still even pushing out a few flower buds. Thanks for watching.